Please subscribe for good health. Why to use beetroot juice? Here comes one of the most effective natural remedy to get naturally pink lips. Applying beetroot juice imparts a natural color to the lips. Beetroot juice has natural bleaching properties that help to lighten dark pigmented lips. Check out below how to use beetroot juice to remove pigmentation from lips. How to use beetroot juice. The easiest way to use beetroot juice to get naturally pink lips is by applying fresh beetroot juice on the lips. Do this every night before going to bed. Leave it on overnight and wash off the next morning. The natural red tint of beetroot helps to impart a natural rosy tint to the lips. In a glass jar, pour 1 tablespoon shea butter, 2 tablespoons olive oil and 1 tablespoon beeswax pellets. Heat some water in a container and place the jar in that pan. Keep on stirring so that the ingredients blend and melt together. Once everything is melted, add half teaspoon beetroot powder and mix once again. Transfer the entire mixture into an empty lip balm jar and let it cool down to set. Your beetroot lip balm is ready. Use this just like your normal lip balm and over time your lips will turn pink naturally. Thank you for watching.